Welcome everyone. iOS has a bug where the call forwarding option is showing the spinning wheel and it's not loading. So what you need to do is you just need to go out and back in and wait about 1.5 seconds and just see if you get the on or off toggle right here. So once you get this toggle, don't exit this menu, otherwise you'll need to try this again. So what I'm doing is I'm going in and out till I get this toggle to work, and if it's not going to work within 1 minute, I'm just going to wait 10 minutes or so. I'm going to exit this menu, I'm going to wait 10 minutes, and then I'm going to try again. Okay, so you can see the time here, 9:15. So I believe 30 minutes has passed because I kind of forgot. But let's go back into the phone menu and let's go to call forwarding. And you can see after waiting half an hour, the call forwarding option shows up right away. If it doesn't, again, you just go out and back in, try that for a minute. If that doesn't work, you try again in 10 minutes. And then from here, you can actually use the call forwarding feature. I don't know why it's so weird, because if you just leave your phone on the call forwarding screen, that spinning wheel will never go away. But if you go in and out, wait a little bit, then try again, eventually you will get this to work. So I know it's finicky, but it will work in the end. Just keep on trying. And with that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.